Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process for buying a new home. So if you are a future first-time home buyer, just curious, or just need a quick refresher, listen up. Many first-time home buyers believe they need at least 20% down to buy their home. This is one of the biggest misconceptions. The truth is that there are many loans programs available that let you put down as little as 3%. A recent survey showed that 64% of the millennials between the ages of 18 and 34 put less than a 20% down payment. However, in today's competitive market, the more money you are able to save on your down payment, the better position you will be in front of the seller when presenting your offer. Going back to the basic here, yet important to know. A credit score ranges from 300 up to 850, and it is based on reviewing your credit history. It plays a significant role when securing a mortgage, as it helps lenders define the likelihood you'll repay future debts. The higher your score, the better. However, many buyers believe they need at least a 780 score to qualify, when in fact, over 55% of approved loans had a score below 750. Over the last 12 months, the average credit score for home purchases by millennials was 723. Don't make the mistake of disqualifying yourself by thinking you need a 780 score. You will need a real estate professional who truly represents you and looks out for your best interest. Leveraging their network is valuable for referrals to lenders, mortgage brokers, and other specialists throughout the home buying process. Your real estate agent is able to price your home correctly, negotiate on your behalf with all parties involved, assist with disclosures and contracts, and design an effective marketing plan to ultimately find you the perfect home. It's also important if your agents have a good bottle of champagne or wine handy to celebrate your big purchase. Two things to note here. Getting pre-qualified is only a good indication of creditworthiness and your ability to borrow. On the other hand, getting pre-approved is a letter from your lender showing that you qualify for a mortgage of a specific amount. It also shows a home seller that you are a serious buyer, and having a pre-approval letter in hand while shopping for homes will help you move faster and with greater confidence, especially in a competitive market like we have today. Consistency is the name of the game after applying for your mortgage. Be sure to discuss any changes of income, assets, or credit to your lender so you don't put your application at risk. Before you start your search, list all the features of a home you'd like. Qualify them as must-have, should-have, or absolute wishlist items. And by doing so, it will help you stay focused on what's most important. Research and choose a neighborhood where you want to live, if one of them is unique. And before you commit to a home based solely on the house itself, take a test drive of the area and make sure it meets your needs for amenities, commute, school district, etc. Once you begin visiting homes, the features of each one of them will start to blur together. I would suggest to make a list of what you love and don't love about each property, and that way it can help you stay organized in your decision-making process. In this seller's market, where there are so many active buyers looking while competing for a relatively low number of available homes, it is essential for you to make a competitive and confident offer. For instance, here in Los Angeles, it now takes only 3 weeks on average to have a home sold and is likely to receive multiple offers and undergo bidding wars. For instance, reducing your loan and physical contingencies from 21 to 14 days in a home you really love can definitely help you stand out from the competition. Your agent will have an inspector come in to look at things like the foundation of the home, roof, plumbing, heating and cooling systems, and then provide a written report for you to consider. It is recommended that you attend the inspection and ask questions during the process. Make your offer contingent upon the clean home inspections, meaning the house is in good physical conditions. These contingencies allows you to renegotiate the price, and you can ask the seller to cover for certain repairs, and it can be a credit towards the closing costs or a price reduction of the listing, or in some cases you might need to walk away if you can't agree on something that is a deal breaker for you. This is one of the final stages of the home buying process. It's a professional evaluation of the market value of the home you'd like to buy. The appraisal is ordered by the lender to confirm or verify the value of the home prior to lending you money for your purchase. The goal here is to protect you and making sure the bank doesn't loan you more money than what the home is worth. In simplest terms, an appraisal establishes the value of a home, while an inspection establishes the condition of a home. I hope that's now clear for you guys. One day prior the actual closing date, meaning when your transaction is going to be recorded with the county's office, you will then need to send your down payment to your lender, who will then fund the loan. Your lender delivers the loan docs to the escrow company, who will then prepare the closing documents and schedule an appointment with a notary for you to sign on in your home. The title company ensures and confirms the transfer of ownership from the seller to you, the buyer. And finally, once they issue the confirmation of recording, the transfer of ownership is complete and you are officially a new homeowner. And don't forget to budget for the closing costs. They are typically around 1.5% of your purchase price. Congratulations! You've just gone through the entire home buying process and you can now enjoy moving in to your new home and start creating all the happy moments with your family. And that's a wrap. I hope this video was helpful and you now have a better understanding of what the process is about and the expectations for when you do decide to become a homeowner. Any questions or comments? Let me know. I'm here for you. Bye-bye.